Hi friends again. So I hope you've learned a lot in my digestion and gut health class. And I hope you understand the importance of taking care of your gut and starting there if you have any issues in your health. Because our gut is related to our skin, our behavior, our emotions, our immune system, so much. So you got to take it under control and do not ignore any issues you have. So there's 6 simple habits that I want to share with you and review with you that these simple changes in your life can help your gut. So the first thing is to take probiotics and take a good one like Life 9 or Digize for kids. And second, remember that the probiotic is the good bacteria you want in your gut. Second is take prebiotics. So a way to get prebiotics is Ningxia Red. And there's just so many other great benefits of this antioxidant superfood drink. And it also comes in a packet too. Take this as a prebiotic with Sulfurzyme powder.